So with a recent update where you're going to add your banking information for your venue, it has changed. So let's take a look at where you're going to update your banking information if you are a new venue or if you're already in the system, how you can update that information. So we're going to navigate to venues, integrations. So it used to have its own tab. It's now in integrations. Here for bank transfer. We're going to go ahead and click this edit icon. And we now have the opportunity to add in 2 different bank accounts. First, I want to point out that your bank account information will be formatted how you have it in your country. And you can, like I know New Zealand, for example, you combine everything into one line. So you could leave your sort code empty and then put all 16 digits on your account number. Okay, so just FYI. And then if you have international clients or you utilize an IBAN and or SWIFT, because again, I know New Zealand, you don't use the IBAN, but you do use SWIFT, you add in the appropriate ones there as well. So this will be for your primary bank account. So when a customer logs into their portal to submit a payment and they hit manual bank transfer, this will be the account numbers that are provided to them as part of those instructions. But we also now support adding a secondary account. Okay, so you're gonna have your primary bank transfer information and a secondary account information. The purpose of this is if you have specific events or event types that you want to pay into a different account. So an example would be weddings are paying into account 1. So this will be your wedding account, while corporates, pay into your secondary bank account. That would be a use case. So you fill in that information as well. So let's just go ahead and fill this in using some numbers, and we'll go ahead and save. Now, when you go to your event types, you can default your supported payment methods here. So now we have your main account and the secondary account. So the weddings, we can say main account. Corporate, we can limit it to secondary account. This is not only applicable to your default event types, but it can also be on a per event level. So let's say your main bank account is for domestic transfers, and you have a secondary account that's for your international transfers. So maybe you accept payments in euros into one account. So whenever you have a foreign customer, let's say Taylor and Travis here, so Americans, you're going to allow them to pay in USD. You're going to take care of the currency exchange. So you want them to pay into the secondary account, in which case you can say for them, they can only pay into your secondary account. Okay. Other use cases for supported payment methods would be if you're utilizing Stripe. So you can then say which events can and cannot pay via Stripe. And that's either Stripe traditional credit card payments, or if you've turned on the new Stripe open banking. So you can choose from that as well. So again, per event or defaulted for event type. And then if you do need to make any changes ever to your banking account, just navigate back to venues, integrations, and you can edit those accounts. Anytime these accounts are edited, it will generate a system log. That is for security purposes. So you know that those accounts have been changed because it's basically where we're telling customers to send the money. So you want to keep your eye open to make sure that those are correct. And that is how you manage your bank accounts.